Smashed cucumber salad is a super popular Chinese dish, especially during summer, because cucumber is a type of cooling food. It can cool down our bodies and beat the summer heat.
This is super easy, tasty, and refreshing. I don't know about you, but I can't wait to try.
After thoroughly cleaning the cucumbers, cut out the tips. Smash the cucumber with the flat side of a knife. Cut the cucumber into small pieces. By doing so, the cucumber will absorb the sauce much better. Do the same with the rest. As an alternative, you can also smash the cucumbers with a rolling pin and cut them into small pieces. In a plate, place the cucumbers inside. Season with salt and sugar. Rest for about 10 minutes. By doing so, the liquid of the cucumbers will come out and they will stay crunchy for a very long time. Discard the liquid. In a bowl, mix together the sesame seeds, garlic, and red finger hot pepper. You can also opt out the hot pepper if you can consume spicy food. In a small pot over low heat, add the avocado oil or other high smoking point oil that you enjoy. Add the shallot. Cook until lightly brown and aromatic for about 5 minutes. Remove the shallot. Turn to high heat and heat it up until smoking hot. Pour the hot oil over the sesame seeds, garlic, and finger hot pepper. Mix in the soy sauce, sugar, and Chinkiang vinegar. You can also replace it with other types of vinegar that you enjoy. Scoop the sauce over the cucumbers and add the cilantro. This cucumber salad is like one big happy family. Everyone has its own unique characteristics and they help to elevate each other and create a harmonious dish. I hope everyone has a refreshing summer and enjoy!
This is absolutely delicious. It's so crunchy, a little sweet, a little sour, super refreshing. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like, and I will see you again soon. Bye!